Hello everyone. Are you struggling to speak English confidently? Do you feel like you know the words? But when you try to speak, nothing comes out. Don't worry, today I'm going to share 7 simple and powerful steps that will help you learn English faster and speak confidently. If you follow these steps every day, you will definitely improve. So let's begin. Step 1. Listen more than you speak. If you want to learn English fast, first build your listening habit. Watch English videos, movies, reels, or even songs, anything you enjoy. When you listen regularly, your pronunciation improves. Your brain understands English naturally. Your speaking becomes more fluent. You don't need to understand every word. Just listen daily, even 10 minutes helps a lot. Step 2. Think in English, not translate. Most people make one big mistake. They think in their own language and translate it into English. That makes speaking slow and confusing. Instead, start thinking in English. For example, I am cooking. I am walking. I am sitting in the bus. These small thoughts build fluency automatically. Step 3. Speak aloud even if you're alone. Don't wait for someone to practice with. Just speak. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your day. Explain what you see around you. And if possible, record your voice. When you listen later, you will notice your mistakes and improve quickly. Step 4. Use simple sentences. You don't need big vocabulary or fancy grammar in the beginning. Start with easy and clear sentences. Instead of, I am endeavoring to nourish my physique, just say, I am trying to eat healthy food. Simple English, complicated English. When you speak simply, you speak confidently. Step 5. Practice every day. English is like exercise. If you do it daily, you get stronger. Even 10 minutes a day is enough. Do this daily. Listen, speak, read, think in English. Small steps every day bring big results. Step 6. Talk to real people. Try to speak with friends, classmates, or even online language partners. Real conversation teaches you natural pronunciation, real-life vocabulary, confidence. Don't be shy. Everyone learns by practicing. Step 7. Fear mistakes. The biggest block in learning English is fear of mistakes. Remember, every fluent speaker once made mistakes, a lot of them. Mistakes mean you're learning. Don't stop, don't hesitate, and don't compare yourself to others. Be proud that you're improving every day. So these were the 7 powerful steps to learn English faster and speak with confidence. If you follow them, even a little daily, your English will improve. If you liked this video, do like, share and comment which step you will start today. Thank you for watching, and all the best for your English journey. See you in the next video.